In a period of dark times, light is something that can completely change your life for the better. Today, I will show you how I made these wooden sconces and pendant lights too. So sit back, relax, and let me light up your day on Tall Guy DIY. I broke this project up into two separate phases. The first phase will be building the wooden sconce. I was inspired by a project created by the makers over on Shanty to Chic. Be sure to check them out. First, measure up your pieces. These sizes can vary, depending on how big you want the sconce or the bracket to be. I used two 6-foot cedar boards for this project. I cut 2 pieces to 18 inches, 2 pieces to 12 inches, 2 pieces to 10 inches, and 2 pieces to 9 inches. Don't bother measuring an angle for a miter cut. We'll come back to this. Label your cuts and always measure twice, just to double check. All I used to cut the pieces was my skill saw and my speed square. If you don't have a skill saw, you can use a pull saw instead. Once I had my pieces cut, I laid them out, orienting them how they would be installed. I used a 90-degree corner clamp to hold together the 12-inch and 10-inch pieces at a perfectly squared angle. This allowed me to figure out what angle I wanted to cut the miter at on the 9-inch pieces. All I did was find the desired angle, marked out where it overlapped, then mark the diagonal, which will be the cut line. To cut these miters, I used a pull saw. I referenced my line on both sides and then cut all the way through the board. I always take my time when using the pull saw to ensure I'm cutting a straight line. Once I had the miters cut, I used wood glue and brad nails to hold the 9-inch cross brace piece in place. I took the corner clamp off and adhered the butt joint with wood glue and 2 brad nails. I wanted more depth to the sconce, so that is why I added this longer back piece. I used wood glue and a few more brad nails to secure it in place. I used a 1/2-inch router bit to create a channel for the wire to run down the back of the sconce. I measured it out to be right down the middle of the back piece. I didn't use any straight line router jig, as this channel won't ever be seen. Phase 2 of this project is the assembly of the pendant light kit. I am not an electrician, and I don't pretend to be one. Always consult a professional before trying to tackle one of these projects. I custom designed this kit from an awesome website called colorcore.com. They have seemingly unending choices to customize your own pendant lights. They pair this with great instructional videos that make wiring the lights easier than you could ever imagine. Be sure to check out their YouTube channel for these how-to videos. Lighting can change the mood of any room. The placement and the types of lights you use are all key elements of design. Important things to remember are color management, direction of the lighting, functionality, and space. I knew I wanted wall-mounted pendant lights that would be hanging over my bed so I could utilize them for reading. I am not going step by step through this phase because my friends over at ColorCord have much better instructional videos. However, I wanted to show you that I went through step by step. Trust me, I made plenty of mistakes along the way. I chose to go with Edison bulbs as they give a soft, warm tone. I experimented with two types of assembly. The first, where the cord runs down the back and through a 3/4 inch hole at the top. I used a level and the brad nailer to mount each fixture to the wall, one on either side of the bed. The other, I made a channel in the middle 12-inch piece and ran the cord right through the middle board. Then I used the brad nailer to connect this piece to the backboard and then mount it to the wall. I hope this project inspires you to go out and make your own pendant lights. It was a simple project with minimal tools required. Hey Google, turn my lights on. Even during dark times of national pandemic, look to lighten up your everyday life. You can follow me on Instagram to start. Let me know what you think. And until next time, I'm Mike on Tall Guy DIY.